Good afternoon. We're back with you here on this John Deere 111 project here. And we have got it running. Before running, we did a compression test that we're doing 60 pounds. And we haven't checked the compression since then, but we had it running. We've gone through all the gears, so it's a pretty viable project. So the first thing we're going to address, or that we are addressing, is on the previous video, number 1, where these springs were welded directly to the deck here, like this. So we're cleaning this up. We've cut the welds here with a little grinder here and kind of smoothed them out. You can see the original square carriage bolt John Deere washers here, and they welded them in like that. And this one here is crooked though. And so we've got a lot of work to do here. And you can see, like right here, up here on the front, you can see the cracks where they're spidering out like this. And also over here. And now we're fortunate to have this piece still here. So here, see how it fits in here, where your adjustment carriage bolt will fit in here perfectly. So we've only got this much to fill in, but our bolt holes are going to all match up perfectly. So we've got a lot of wire feed work here, and fill-in work, and a lot of grinding here. And in order to make this right, you can see all these cracks right here. And we stitch them up, just with the wire feed, just hit them like and keep going around there to where you get it off of them, where you could get a solid weld right in here. Now all this these washers were supposed to be on the bottom, but they welded them in here, as you can see. So we're going to keep them where they're at, in place, and weld them. The bottom of this is copped. We'll eventually have to take this whole deck off here in order to get the bottom and get it done and done right. And probably we'll put a strap of 1/8 inch by 2 inch flat in between these bolts, and so this won't happen again. The cleanup on the springs, well, if they took that much heat and they are not damaged, well, I suppose that they're good to go. So, but we got a lot of grinding on those and filing to make them right. So we want to get this deck off here so we can see about the transaxle. We got a 801 Tecumseh or Peerless transaxle in here, and it's geared. So we want to look at that and check the oil and drop the oil and get that kind of cleaned up here. But we're good to go. The thing runs, and we're just going to take care of a few things here. Still waiting on the manual and the battery here. A new seat we have coming, the low mouse seat, which is supposed to be going on here. Okay, so that'll be it for today, and we'll be giving you follow-ups on progress here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.